Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today is the day we are picking up the new build today. I found this F30 on Facebook Marketplace a few weeks ago and the price was too good for me to pass up on. It's a salvage title. Car has some issues, but today is the day we go and pick it up. Wish me luck.
Later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
There's no suspension damage, right?
No, no suspension.
Does it have two keys? So you were never able to open the hood?
The hood can be opened.
Yeah.
There's the latch itself.
Mm-hmm.
The cable is broken, I believe, from here to here.
Okay.
So if you go under the fender right here, you're able to manually open it.
Okay.
That's how I found out the turbo was missing.
Oh, and then the antenna.
What's that?
The antenna.
Yeah, it's missing the little
The cover.
cover.
Yeah. It looks like an engine in there, but it's not much to see. Hey yo, I just bought the most clapped out BMW 335i F30 on Facebook Marketplace. And when I say clapped, this thing is clapped. Damn, can't believe I just spent money on something like this. It needs a lot of work. It needs a total makeover. But I think I could do it. Clapped, clapped, clapped. All right, guys, it is the next day, and today I'm gonna have the car towed to the yard where I'm gonna be working on the car. You know, just again, the first thing I'm gonna do with this car is figure out if that engine is good or bad. But you know, yeah, I can't say I'm expecting the worst, but I'm not expecting the worst. But if it is, I just have to make sure. I just have to know if this engine is good or bad. I want to see it for myself and then move on from there. So right now I'm waiting on the tow truck to come and pick up the car, and we'll move on from there. Here she is, y'all. Here she is. As you can see, she's in rough shape. She is in rough shape. Again, there's a lot of damages. It's undercarriage damage. As you can see, the grill is missing. The windshield, one of the weather stripping, that's missing. Wheels and tires needs work. Brakes, antenna cover is missing. The housing on that antenna is missing. The airbag, steering wheel airbag is blown. That needs to be replaced as well. But here she is. So guys, I couldn't get much footage of the car when I went to pick it up from the seller's house, simply because it was dark, it was nighttime, and I really couldn't do much, record much. But overall, you guys get it. I already knew what I was getting myself into. I already knew the damages on the car. The only thing that really surprised me was the undercarriage damage, which I'm going to show you guys. But I already knew just about everything that I was getting myself into with this car, that it was going to need just about a complete, almost a rebuild, maybe a rebuilt engine. But that's the case right here. So this is a 2014, my 2014 BMW 335i rear wheel drive. Man, this thing is going to need a lot of work. It's going to need a lot of work, guys. I got my work cut out for me. Definitely. When getting this car, my goal was not really to get an F30. Actually, I had planned to get another E92 335i. Because I love that car so much. My first E92, I was going to buy it back from the guy who I sold it to. But in the end, he agreed for me to buy the car back. But when I, messaged him, he never answered. He stopped replying. So I was like, you know what? Maybe he changed his mind. He don't want anything, he don't want to sell the car no more. So I basically went ahead and, look on Facebook Marketplace. I sold my E90 335i, my 2011 E90 335i. I sold that, and about a day later, I went and picked this up. And at the time, you guys know how the market is right now when it comes to these cars. You have even, 328s going for crazy money. So I felt like this was a deal for me, I felt like it was something that I could do, because again, I need to get myself more into rebuilds and stuff like that. That's just me. I need to learn more about these cars. I'm still a beginner, when it comes to fixing and repairing and diagnosing these cars. So I feel like this was a very good learning experience for me to get to know these cars even more and dive deep and get my hands dirty and just learning a bunch of stuff. So this is a real challenge for me. This is my first time actually rebuilding an engine. So, no, not rebuilding an engine, but I don't think it's gonna need a rebuild. But this is the furthest I went, you know, when it comes to working on cars. You know, just everything is just all over the place and taken apart. And yeah, man, I can't wait. But anyway, this was the first introduction video of the f30 335i, and you know, I have more stuff coming on the way, more videos and stuff coming on the way, because there's a lot of work to be done on this car. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, if you like this type of content, please subscribe. It helps me. It encourages me to continue to do this type of work. For me personally, this is something that I love. This is a passion for me. I've always had a passion for cars, you know, but I really didn't get deep into it until about 2-3 years ago, you know, and I realized how much I love to do this kind of stuff, man. It drives me, man. I wake up every day, I look forward to working on a car, or on my cars, the cars that I own, and it doesn't feel like work. So I feel like this is my calling. You know, for a long time, I didn't know what to do with my life. I did all types of jobs, odd jobs and stuff like that, and I wasn't happy. I was never happy. But when I started working on cars, man, it lit something in me. It started a fire in me, a desire that I've never had before. So I feel like this is it. This is my calling. This is what I'm supposed to be doing. So please, guys, like the video, leave a comment, let me know what you think. I'm gonna need a lot of help finding used parts for this car. So if you guys can help me in any way, send me the links and stuff. If you want to support the build, my Cash App, it will be linked down in the description below. Hit me up on Instagram, whatever, man. Let's chat. Let's chop it up. But anyway, thanks again for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.
You ready?
There you go.
Okay.